This video we'll be creating this amazing design. You can use it for your company or your business or whatever it is using HTML and CSS. Get ready for it and let's dive into the code. Hello friends, this is CodeCap. We can learn coding fastly and efficiently. As you can see, I have created an HTML CSS file. I have linked the CSS file also. The CSS file is fully empty. Now the first thing is that I will create a div here and the class name will be its loader. Inside the div I will create another div and the class name will be Xbox. Also I will it's multiply by 7. That's I will create the 7 div like this, and now the class name will be box 0. And also inside this div I will create I should do like something like this. Let's see. Inside this div I will create another div, and there we go. And now I will change its classes, and this will be box 0. Now that's our HTML. Now we will go to the CSS, but before I will start the live server. And you can see now I've got my CSS and start styling. The first I will style for the body, display with flags. Minimum height will be 100 ph. Now the next I will style for the loader. The next I'll see the weight for it will be 200 pixel, and also the height will be 320 pixel, and the position will be relative to its parent. I mean relative to its self-relative position transform. The style will be reserved tree. Now the next I will start see the loader class. See the before, after, and this will be the first thing. I'll create a variable -r, I mean the rotation 20.5 degree. Content will be 320 and height 140, and also the position will be absolute, and the right will be 32%, and bottom will be minus 11 pixel, and also the background. Let's go to background. I think I should give the background instead of say background, but background color will also work. Hash, it will be #e. That's good. The next I'll see the transform, translate z, text z, translate and say something like z. This will be 200 pixel, and also the rotate will be here, rotate, and it will be as they use the where and dash the shore. This is a variable. Now the next I will see the animation will be for mask variable. In the duration I will use the variable where duration, and also the linear, the direction forward, and the duration infinity. The next side loader I'll see the after, and this will be first variable will be a variable minus 20.5 degree, and say the next I'll select only loader, ground, and set div. Now the next I will see inside the loader, ground, only for the next here I'll say loader, ground, and the next is loader and the box, and the next say the loader, box, and the yes. Now inside the loader, before I'll say loader, box, I'll say inside the loader dot box sound. Styling here, creating animation, add keyframes, the first animation name will be box move 0. Inside box kill 0, and the next I will copy same both here, copy the both animations and directly paste it down. This animation will be for ground. Animation will be for ground shine. I think that's all. Now I will go to my browser. So here you can see, as this is good, this looks good. Now here you can see this is a better logo. You can customize this, and I think you can add more styling, more customizable. You can change this. You can I mean, you can do whatever you want. This is how you can create a simple design for your business or company or whatever it is. I hope this video will help you and you have enjoyed this. And if you like the video, press the like button and also press the subscribe button. Thanks for watching the video.